Hi, I'm Ashley, the founder of Think Digital Business, and in this video I am going to teach you how to use Instagram for business. So in order for me to help you, I will give you plenty of tips to help you make your Instagram business skills even better and even stronger. So if you're interested in transforming your business skills with Instagram, keep watching this video. Today, Instagram is a highly popular social media platform. You can begin using Instagram now to grow a successful online business. By using Instagram and by using the right marketing strategy, you can achieve the following things. You can use Instagram to promote your business, promote your products and services and reach your ideal target market, increase your brand awareness and visibility online, increase profits and sales, grow a following, generate more exposure and leads for your business, and turn followers into website visitors. Instagram can play a key role in your online marketing strategy. Before I give you some tips on how to use Instagram for business, I would like to tell you about the terminology used on Instagram. Let's start with the bio. This refers to the biography section in your profile. Businesses can also use their bio to include a call to action. Next, we have the direct messages. Users can privately communicate with each other through direct messages. Direct messages are often referred to as DMs. Next, we have filters. You can apply preset filters to your photos to enhance the features and the colors. Next, we have the follow. When you follow a user on Instagram, you'll see their content in your timeline. You can also view their Instagram stories at the top of the application. Next, we have followers. Your followers are people who will see your pictures in their timelines. Next, we have the hashtag. Similar to Twitter and Facebook, a hashtag on Instagram is used to index words or phrases. Next, we have the highlights. A highlight reel of your Instagram stories appears on your profile above your photo gallery and stays until you remove it. Next, we have the home. If you tap the home button to land on your home screen, which is also your timeline or your newsfeed. Next, we have IG. IG is an abbreviation for Instagram. Next, we have the Instagram handle. Your handle is basically your username. To mention a user on Instagram, you need to use their handle, which always starts with the @ symbol. Next, we have Instagram Stories. Stories is one of the most popular features on the platform. These pictures and videos disappear after about 24 hours. Next, we have the tag. There are a few ways to tag people on Instagram, including an in-photo caption and in Instagram stories and in the photos. Use the @ symbol to tag someone in a caption or an Instagram story. You can also tag someone in your photos before you post the actual picture. I will now give you some tips on how to use Instagram for business. Keep watching. Tip number 1. Add professional looking visuals. Instagram is a photo sharing social media platform, so it's important for you as a business owner to share visually pleasing content with your audience. You need to ensure that all photos and visuals that you share on the channel are high quality and look good. You should avoid using generic photos because they will not work very well. You should take photos, edit them, and take the time to make sure you're creating a cohesive grid on Instagram. If you want to add a new photo, you can do this by tapping the camera button at the bottom of your screen. You can take a new photo or select one from your camera roll. On the next screen, there are multiple options to personalize your post. You can add a filter, tag other users, write a caption, and add a location if you want to. You also have the option to turn off the comments on this page by using the advanced settings. Tip number 2. Use Instagram Stories as part of your marketing strategy. Instagram Stories is one of the channel's most popular features among users, so I recommend that you take advantage of this feature. Instagram provides you with many tools that make it easy for you to create highly engaging and creative stories. As a small business, you can use Instagram Stories to market your products and services and help you get your messages to your followers. These followers might not see your regular Instagram posts in their newsfeed, because the Instagram algorithm can regularly be updated. On Instagram Stories, you have the option to post recorded videos, still photos, live videos, boomerangs. These are basically videos that loop back and forth, basic text, music and focused photos. You can also add stickers such as your location, the temperature, user tags and hashtags. All of these features can help your content reach your ideal target market. You can also add stickers for polls, questions and sliding bars, which make it easy for you to interact with your users and get some valuable feedback. You can use the questions feature to hold a weekly Ask Me Anything, which is a fun way to answer common questions. Another way that you can use to draw attention to your brand is with Stories highlights, which will stay on your profile until you remove them. Tip number 3, you can stream live videos on Instagram. In addition to Instagram Stories, you can also take and stream live video that will disappear within 24 hours. This is very similar to a cross between Facebook Live and Snapchat. You have the option to give customers a live look behind the scenes of interesting aspects of your business, show products or answer live questions through the comments. This is a good way to show your audience exciting new projects that you are working on. When the video ends, it lives in your Instagram Stories for up to 24 hours. If you want a video to stay on your Instagram feed, you can upload video that you have taken or shoot video directly through the app to post it. If you choose to shoot or upload the video, you can still add filters and change the cover to make it more visually appealing and pleasing to your audience. Tip number 4. You should try to interact and engage with other Instagram users. As with any social media channel, it's important for you to engage and interact with your followers on Instagram to grow and build new relationships. There are several ways you can do this. Here's how you can do it. You can do this by liking. Here's how it works. Liking is a simple way for you to connect with other users. If you want to like a photo, you can either double tap the image or tap the heart button under the post. You can also do this by commenting. Here's how it works. Next to the like button is a comment button. You just need to tap it and then the app will take you to the comments page for that photo with a text box where you can enter what you want to say. You then hit post when you are ready to send. You can also do this by mentioning. Here's how it works. You can use the @ symbol to tag other users in your Instagram comments or post captions. You can also do this by tagging. Here's how it works. Instagram allows you to add tags before you post content. To do this, you will need to tag people before sharing your photo and then tap where in the photo you'd like to add a tag. The app will then prompt you to type in the person's name to search for their account. When you have tagged other users in your photo and shared the image, other users will be able to tap on the photo to see the people who are tagged. And you can also do this by direct messaging. Here's how it works. You can access Instagram Direct by going to the home page and you will need to tap the button in the top right corner. From here, you can send private instant messages, photos and videos to other users. If you want to send a new DM, you'll have to tap the plus button in the top right corner and select Send Photo or Video or Send Message. When you have sent the message, you and the recipients can message back and forth. Any users who are not already following you will be asked whether they want to allow you to send them photos and videos before they can view your DM. Tip number 5. Use relevant hashtags on your posts. You can use hashtags with your post. Hashtags are a good way to help users find content on Instagram. Hashtags can include letters and numbers, but they can't contain any non-numerical characters. Using relevant hashtags for your content is a highly effective way to get your content noticed more by other users. Instagram users can both search for hashtags and click on hashtags they see in posts in the app. You'll need to ensure that you are using the right hashtags for your brand for this to be effective. There are hashtags such as no filter, which is a photo that has been heavily edited with filters, selfie, a picture of just yourself, and TBT, or Throwback Thursday, which are old photos. These are all popular on Instagram, but they may not work well for your brand, for you or your brand. It will be a good idea for you to look at other established brands or even personal users and bloggers within your industry for examples of what hashtags to use with your content. Instagram allows a maximum of 30 hashtags in a post or comment, but that many can be excessive. The fewer relevant hashtags that you can use to get good quality responses, the better. If you use a lot of popular hashtags, you might gain more likes from other users, but it probably won't increase your following all that much, and the interactions you will get will likely not be from your ideal target market of people who are interested in your brand, but rather from people who just saw and liked your visual content. When you understand hashtags, you can branch out and experiment to find out which ones work best for your brand. It's also good practice to create a custom hashtag for your business or even an event that you will be hosting. This way, customers can follow along with an event, even if they aren't there in person. So, if you would like further training on how to use Instagram for business in video format, please do go and click the link below the video, or at least go through to our website where you can have a look at our Instagram marketing online training course. I recommend you study this online course because it will help you prepare more effectively and teach you how to use Instagram to grow your business more effectively online. Our Instagram marketing training course is delivered in a step-by-step manner, so it is perfect for people who have little or no experience with Instagram. Please check out the link below for more information. So now let me hand it over to you. Which technique from the video are you going to use first? You can let me know by leaving a comment below the video right now. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video and I will be more than happy to help you and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you and give it a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for your Instagram business. Have a brilliant day.